anytime rajma chawal.
But
I
are
can
you
have it
Punjabi?
like, no, I'm not Punjabi, but rajma chawal is like I can have it anytime.
तो आज ही मैं एक ऐसे सुपर टैलेंटेड सुपर वुमन से मिलने जा रही हूँ जो एक ब्लॉगर भी है, एक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में भी काम करती है एंड शी इज़ अ मॉम टू. लेट्स वेलकम मिस राजेश्वरी शर्मा. हेलो मैम, हाउ आर यू? प्लीज हैव अ सीट. Thank you so much for coming. Before starting this interview, I really want to say you're looking amazing. I love your outfit.
Thank you so
From where
much.
did you buy this?
This is H&M, and this is H&M,
Okay.
and yeah. So
You're
this is
looking
Anubhav.
amazing.
Thank you so
You're
much.
very beautiful. So I saw your page. Actually, you are a multitasker superwoman. Like, you are a mom. You doesn't look like a mom.
Oh, really?
Sorry to say this, but yeah, you doesn't look like a mom. You are a digital creator. You're a blogger. You're actually working in a digital marketing. How you manage these things?
Well, it's not easy always. Life is not easy, of course, but you know, I am a person who tries to work hard, whether it's mom's duty or whether it's my corporate life or whether it's my blogging life.
I
And it's
saw
inbuilt in me that I have to keep working, whatever it takes. So that's how, you know, I love to be busy. That's how I am.
saw your page. Your Instagram is amazing. It's going amazing. Like 3391k
Yeah.
followers.
Thank
It's
you so
not
much.
easy.
It
to
is not
maintain
easy.
Those things.
It
and
took me
all.
about 3 years to reach here actually. It's been 3 years I've been doing this, apart from my, you know, corporate life.
So it's been 3 years. You are actually working as a blogger.
Yeah.
How do you manage your followers?
Okay. So if I talk about the followers, you don't have to basically manage your followers. You just have to give the content which your followers like, and they will stay. If you're producing good content, if you're engaging with them, and if they engage with you and they're finding it helpful, they're liking it, they're enjoying your content, you don't have to actually manage them. They stay with you.
Okay. So next, what was your career journey? Like, आप कैसे इस platform तक पहुँचे? Like blogging, digital marketing, and actually you have a daughter too, so you have to manage the family.
Okay, so if you talk about my career, I have approximately, you know, 19 or 18 to 19 years of experience in corporate field. So I never knew what is Instagram earlier, before like 3 years actually. But if you talk about my career journey, I have been working since I passed out my college and have been to this field of web designing, graphic designing, and I've grown from there. I got married, have one daughter, and after she was 2, I started working again. And corporate was my life always, and I've said that before that, you know, I love working hard. No matter what, it's not just about money, it's about being engaged, being self-dependent, and that has been always my motive. So I wanted to take a break. I took a break, and in that break I got introduced to Instagram, and when I got to know that there is something called Instagram blogging, and I got into it, and thankfully I got introduced to it and met a lot of really good people around me who supports me to push me to, you know, do good in this journey. And of course, like, there are brands who are
Okay, so how do you manage shooting with your daughter?
don't ask me, it's very tough. It's very
That's why
tough.
I'm asking.
Now she's 10 and it's been 3 years I'm shooting with her. So sometimes क्या होता है कि, you know, shoot करना है and she has a bad mood. क्या करोगे आप? तो फिर you have to like finding a ways to make her happy before the shoot. Find a ways कि भाई उसका mood अच्छा रहे. Try to, you know, spend time with her so that she's happy, and when you have to actually do a shoot, I try to be very natural during the shoot, because, you know, कि अगर आपको कोई product shoot भी करना है, don't, you know, tell her कि भाई shoot करना है, but tell her कि we will just play, we will do this and that, and camera is there who's shooting. That becomes easy. Otherwise, sometimes if they have moods, kids have, like, don't ask me कितने mood swings होते हैं उनके. मना कर दिया तो मना कर दिया, एंड यू हैव टू वेट फॉर आवर्स कि भाई मूड ठीक होगा, देन यू हैव टू डू शूट. समटाइम इट्स लाइक कि भाई डे में शूट करना है और उसका मूड खराब है, शाम हो गई है, अंधेरे में शूट करना पड़ेगा. इट हैज हैपेंस मेनी टाइम्स and you have to push the deadlines for the brands. It keeps happening. It's not easy, especially with the toddlers. I've seen toddler moms. My daughter is still grown up, but still she has a lot of tantrums.
It's very tough to handle kids.
I'm sure, yeah.
Okay, so let's sip a coffee and start a rapid fire round.
Sure.
So, what's your anytime go-to dish?
Anytime Rajma Chawal.
Are you Punjabi?
No, I'm not Punjabi, but Rajma Chawal is like, I can have it anytime. I can have even like leftovers.
Okay, what's your morning routine?
Morning routine is like, it's like the biggest hustle bustle kind of a morning. I always have it. I'm rushing for everything. Wake up in the morning very quickly. I have to like cook for my daughter. I have to pack her lunch, make her ready. I have to cook for myself, then I have to make breakfast and lunch for my in-laws as well, and then I have to get ready for myself and leave for work. So it's like crazy morning. It's very
really
crazy.
a hustle. Okay, so what do you prefer, dinner with your family or going club with your friends?
Actually both. So on weekdays definitely it's family, but on weekends I try to chill out with my friends more.
Okay, so what is the best memory with your daughter?
So every day is the best memory, I can say. But the most precious is when she was born. But if you talk about memories, I love to document her memory always, like whatever we do. So there are certain moments in life which you like to have, preserve those memories, and that's where Instagram comes into the picture. I try to post everything which is special for me. Whenever she achieves something, whenever she does something very extraordinary, which I was not expecting, that becomes a very special memory to me. I can't recall any special memory right now, but I think every day is special. Every day is special for me as a mom.
Okay, what place would you suggest to visit in Faridabad for chilling or for having coffee or anything?
I think this is the great place, like Miraj Bistro, definitely. Okay. I mean, because it has everything. If I talk about it, you can sit with your friends, you can chill. There is a play area downstairs. I hang around with my friends. I leave my daughter here. She's sorted, we are sorted, and there's a lot of books here.
Wow. Okay, so where do you see yourself in next 2 years? After 2 years will be.
Yeah, definitely. I will grow in this Instagram journey for sure, and would love to work with like good brands. I'm already working with good brands, but there are brands which I would love to work with, which are really renowned, and that's it. I think I would say.
Oh, our 30 seconds are over. Thank you so much for your answers. Amazing. So ये थी एक मल्टीटास्कर सुपर वुमेन राजेश्वरी शर्मा, एंड मैं तो आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर हुई. आई एम श्योर मेरी ऑडियंस भी बहुत इंस्पायर हुई होंगी, स्पेशली मॉम्स जो हमारे इन सब देखती हैं यूट्यूब पे, फेसबुक पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे. ओके, सो आवर टाइम फॉर चिट चैट इज़ ओवर. और मुझे तो आपसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा. आपकी बातें बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हैं.
ऐसे ही मेरी जर्नी चलती रहेगी. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सो मच इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट कीजिए, और हमें इतना सारा प्यार देने के लिए भी और प्यार देती रहिए. स्टे सेफ, स्टे हैप्पी.